Welcome to the Monad Testnet tutorial. In this video, we will cover some basics to kickstart your Monad journey. Begin by visiting the official Monad website. Here, click Go to Faucet. Next, in the top right corner, select Add Testnet. Finally, click Add Monad Testnet to Wallet and approve the action in your wallet. To obtain Testnet Mon, navigate to the Faucet tab. Enter your wallet address and click the Get Testnet Mon button. Note that your wallet must have at least 0.03 Ethereum and have done at least 3 transactions on the Ethereum mainnet. To make your first trade, navigate to the previous page and click Continue. Scroll down to the trading section. Once there, connect your wallet to the platform. Select the token you prefer, specify the amount of Mon you wish to spend, and initiate the transaction. To deploy a smart contract, visit the Owlto website. Connect your wallet to the platform, ensure you're deploying to the Monad network, and click the Deploy button. Upon successful deployment, you'll receive a special notification. You can also create an ERC20 contract by switching to the ERC20 mode. Enter your contract's name and symbol, then click Deploy.